name na Chike Oge.
In the mood to love somebody, in the mood to party. Oh yeah, Mr. DJ put on for the play.
And now they watch Talk.
Oh yeah, J1 Luagolo, make all these guys they ulambolo. Kilo Jeko Monoworo.
All right, my name is Sheila BCFI, the Black Commandant of the Federal Republic. Now, so that they call me. When they watch Talk, you know now. People like us, they talk fire. If you come out here, you enter problem. We go talk with our life. That oh yeah, keep watching Talk now.
Hey, my people have fun now. My name is J1. They call me Oluwaji and I talk now. They watch for Wazobia TV. God bless you. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, we don't come back and then we get very, very ganshas guests for inside we building. That's the way you here. She sing one totalicious song like this way. We say when people hear I'm going to totally our body. And this song, this person will sing they say she done the sing since when she did teenage choir for when she did young. And her own method of music then describe them as Afro pop infused with soul and pop.
I did confused.
And currently, she did work on her sophomore album, and this person, her name na Simisola Ogunleye, but popularly known as simply Simi.
Give it up, give it up. Welcome to the show, Simi.
Simi, how far are you there?
I did all right. So how you doing?
Oh, we did very good.
The way it's packaged, you know, be like person they speak Pidgin.
Me, I feel like who they speak Pidgin.
Excuse me, Bernard. Simi, welcome, Ojare. How are you? What's happened?
I did all right.
The person will actually advocate, say, we must bring Simi come this show because she's very passionate. Say, Simi must come this show. Oh my God, you don't hear that song? You'll be If she sing the song, you go feel saying that she writes the song. She not come there around.
Hey, yeah.
So we want me you first give her shout out. Her name na Uwi.
Oh,
And
okay.
she'll be one of us for on top of the show, but she travel, go somewhere, go cover some kind of things. So just give them shout out. So wherever she watch you, so she go say, ah yes, Simi, give me shout out.
Okay, so you beautiful and so beautiful, and you know.
We got the boss of the song already. Child.
Simi, how far you doing?
I did okay. I mean, the hustle not easy, you know. If you won't blow for this industry, you know the rest, you know the sleep.
Now, it's not, now the question I actually want to ask you with that, like, you know, say, now recently you just they blow, people don't they hear say, oh, them the get person will be actually singing, and the song where you actually sing, it is very, very, I don't know, it just carry everybody along. Everybody feel relate with the song. So how the journey done there so far? Because you just the start, how the industry take accept you? If you say they tough or you actually brave your way through?
It's tough. Honestly, because if you want to make it in this industry, you know, not be say you go rest, make people they do things for you. You know, you have to put 100% in, or if not, everybody you go just the door, you know. And it is tough, but at the same time, it's a lot of fun for me because now the thing when I love to do this since when I'm small. So.
All right, Simi, I know say some people go no vex. I can see some people go confused. Say, okay, which song she don't sing? Make we see small of our video, Mr. Producer, so that people go understand why we actually did Christ. Bring her call.
What you did to me. It's a felony. Stole my heart away. Mr. Deputy, oh come to my aid, 'cause I don't know how I got this way. It's in the do me tinny, it's kind of amazing. Boy, you make me feel every day like tin on my body. I can't deny I'm feeling it. I wanna call you baby, baby, butterflies. Boy, you give me butterflies. You be different, I say you beautiful, and you know, say you don't steal my score. You be different, I say you beautiful. Oh boy, you get them out. One thing I'm sure about, you be tiff. In the studio, Friday, I forgot my lines, remembered your face. Oh, I am a mess, I can't concentrate. Oh, this can't be happening to me. You do me tinny, yeah, you got me blazing. Boy, you make me feel every day like tin on my body. Can't deny I'm feeling it. I wanna call you baby, baby, butterflies. Boy, you give me butterflies. You be different, I say you beautiful,
I be thief.
You be a thief.
I be
I
thief.
no say you be
Mr. Producer, on top of this song, I'm a good boy, but I be thief.
Go on, sit
Bernard,
down.
calm down now.
No.
No, relax.
No, I said no.
Bernard.
See me, I be thief.
Bernard.
This song sweet. This song sweet.
I agree.
So I want to ask you, don't. What will be your first love story? Because the song now all about love. And you be like person we don't love, as in you love pieces throw away for inside the love.
Well,
Tell us
I
the
don't
experience.
love I don't love because I be love a girl who I don't see the kind of man I never love before. But
You don't do
I
mumu,
don't love-
open eye.
all of them, I don't love them. But my first, I don't know, my first love story. This one is my first love story.
Okay, tell us about this love story.
Tiff, no be just one story. No be just
Okay.
my story.
Okay.
You know, I mix my story with like everybody's story, like something where everybody feel relates with. Say, oh, I don't experience this thing before. Person just come when I no plan and maybe I dey save for school, I dey save for my, you know, my masters. One girl just come. You know, I can't spend all the money.
Forget about masters.
You know, so that the thing will inspire me with that.
But actually, I like the video.
Thank
I see the storyline because everything synchronized. So where you shoot the video?
That's South Africa.
Why all of them they go? Me say my house not good to watch the video. Everybody they go and say, what's wrong to you? Shoot it here.
No be. My God just, you know, the thing say maybe for the first one maybe do something way
Very good,
exactly
yeah.
where people go just who be this, you know, that kind
And
of thing.
seriously, we asked who be this.
Yes.
We asked
Yes.
who be this.
But then, see me before I thief you go, I just want quickly. Why would I have a strong face? I'm still, ladies, I will still handle you.
we are here.
Yeah, I will handle you
But
after
then
the
they waste
show,
our
alright?
time.
No vex. But then still, the question we have one as we say, the song Sweet Die. I know we
Okay.
like it. I
Thank
like
you.
the song very well.
Thank you.
But the thing we say, why will you can't choose singer for pidgin? No, be say because sometimes people talk say to get better song like that for pidgin, you know the kind of song we would like here, do ging ging bang bang. But this one gets soul inside and soul music, and
Yeah.
still it dey for pidgin, and it make brain die.
Thank you. The thing is say most of my songs when I dey write, now I preach in the day inside.
Oh, okay.
You know, and because I know say if you want to do songs for Nigerians, you supposed to do something where they go feel relate with like homeland something. And I don't want to use too much of my language because I be a right girl.
Oh,
but I don't
okay,
want to
yes,
use too much of my language because some people know Yoruba.
Yeah.
You know, so I want to do something where almost everybody. Thing is, people say English is the universal language, but Pidgin is more like the universal
Universal.
language.
Preach
something that, You know, so.
See me no worry. Anything.
Till you reach Cameroon, you reach Sierra Leone, you reach South
Exactly.
Africa, now you go
tell
know
you.
say actually
Pidgin,
Pidgin
Ghana,
or Ghana.
They're everywhere.
I tell you.
Well, see me even if na Ibiobi you take singer, I go buy am. No worry.
Thank you.
I want
market
carry you
yourself
go.
well.
I want carry you go. Our stories where we talk. You get one story where we talk say they lock one pikin for.
No pick. This one don't mature. She's
Eh, but
18 when they
she
won't
be
lock her.
18.
Adults.
Okay. They lock one 18-year-old for
For inside
inside
basement.
basement because of man. And you know this your love now, you be thief.
Because of man.
Because of
The
man.
parents don't like
they
the
don't
man.
like
She
the
carry
man.
come. They can't lock her inside
They can't
there.
lock
6
am.
good years.
For 6
Pikin when
whole
dem born
years,
inside they lock am,
the
by
girl
now
dey
go
there.
don dey
They
talk.
call the tell people say the girl don. So wetin you go talk for this matter now?
Man, I just dey speechless. I don't even know.
Say
Their own picking, I be another person
Their
picking.
own
They
pikin.
adopt
Their
am.
pikin.
Their
Their
pikin.
pikin kwa.
Their
I want a
personal
mental
picking.
problem. I be like say maybe the mental problem. I visited that day, just touch them. They don't know say they come.
I will tell you. But still on
Because
top of that
I
matter,
can't-
you believe say he right or he good, make parents they choose who their
Their
pikin
pikin
go
go
follow
marry.
or go marry.
No, not one of the things when you know I been there because I dey argue well. So like one of the things where they always carry on top of my head like say na me get the case. I don't believe say anybody whether na your mother na your papa because everybody when you marry the person finish. You go come out your mama house, you go come out your papa house. Now you and that person you go. So if anything happen, you know go feel call anybody say, "And my mama say make I marry him now." You know, so whoever you want to marry, it has to be your decision. So you take responsibility for what happened.
Now what be that?
Okay.
I mean, pastor.
Amaka, you get one final question.
Yes,
Okay.
one final question, and that question now on top of our cocoa of the day.
Okay.
I suppose sunshine separately, but I should just talk something.
Now you decide.
No, this thing must answer this question.
Yes, drop the
on top of
bomb.
the cocoa of the day, it be like say, you fit when you marry, you fit live inside the same room, the same house.
House. If it be yard.
Okay, yard. Okay.
Let's say you get
fit
Igbo
live at
friends
the
well
same
well.
yard
Our
with your
yard mates.
family, with your in-law them.
No.
That's
Take her
right.
time.
She take her
She
first.
think
What
am.
you think and she won't understand
Because
the kind love.
because No, if this is a holiday, they go do holiday. No, I no fit. Because I not go feel free. I not go feel be myself. I will come.
But they don't come because your family.
But now your family.
It no matter. I don't feel live with my own mama self inside the same year. I talk less of my own husband mama. Because I believe say when you marry, come out, go build your own life. You know, start over. If I don't go want make my pikin, live with me the same yard at the same time. I know, just.
I feel it. Make you don't be say you go there the yard now. Your mother-in-law
Yeah,
go
but
find you.
my own for the couple of the day,
vex
be say they're going to decide. I feel they're going to decide between I want chop.
Exactly.
Yawo, like Yoruba, Yawo left about.
If na Igbo now, you go there inside room, they sleep, they go shout, Titi, somebody go say, I know na yard.
Okay, Simi, actually, the question where I be want me and Maka ask, I don't know why her brain not tally with waiting I want me to do. But I'll eventually ask the question myself. On the lighter note, today single?
No, I'm not this single.
Oh.
She's taken. Forget about the ring.
I find the ring.
She never did take it.
Before I go to zoom in. Before I zoom in, now say na engagement ring.
Okay.
No, but if you say engagement, that means
taken.
she's not taken.
All the same, I be thief. You know say I be thief.
Okay, we don't reach that time. You get waiting when they do on top of our show. They call and talk the talk and
Do.
And right now, Simi, I don't hold my talk the talk basket. You see me where you
Box
carry
of
the basket,
life.
but you don't know why I carry the basket. No fear.
Mysterious
This is a babalawo.
Bless and bless.
Now the talking box, now be this. You
I just
open
want
and
you
you
to
go
pick
talk.
one
Use your
paper.
hand, do yourself. Now they talk.
Yes. Do yourself by yourself. I like that.
A big paper she
Show her waiting down. Show her
You don't
waiting
even
She read down first.
And the first self.
Okay, now you pick on by yourself. Okay, so this one say make you use your tongue.
Count your teeth.
Touch your nose. See, am I don't lie?
But then if your tongue, if you touch your nose, if you touch my own.
And you get just 2 seconds.
Hey,
5,
see.
4, 3. Then they pay fine if you don't do it. 2.
Say your tongue no come out at all.
Going.
See me tongue, no reach. But better are you trying?
Yeah,
You are
better
the
try.
type person
I know
that
we
do.
guess so. I know go for try. But see, we thank you very much. Say you join us for Inside the
Thank
Show.
you.
But
Thank
before
you
you go,
so much.
you going to do one freestyle using talk. I don't know if you
Yes,
want to
sir.
do
That one
do
for sure. She gotta do it.
If
Just
your
freestyle
album you
first.
want release, can't use talk inside.
Yeah,
now,
just put talk inside.
Okay, she want to drop the
I
album
just the
now.
talk. I mean, she drop am for here. Use talk. Drop am. Wait.
Drop
Feel
it
remix
like
something now.
inspiration. I see say she dey like inspiration.
Even if my enemies talk,
Hey!
I go blow.
Are you feeling the rem?
Yes, sir.
Are you feeling the rem?
Yes, Pastor.
Okay. As we are feeling the rem, we got just bar small break. And when we come back, holy.
Labo.
We dey come back.
He's coming back.
You know, we gonna continue.
You know say we the thief.
Oh my goodness.
See, I see the jewelry, the jewelry, just got off amazing. Why you make me feel everything until I'm writing? Can't deny your feelings. I wanna call you baby, baby, butterfly. Boy, you give me butterfly. Hey, you beautiful, I say you beautiful, and you know I say you don't steal my heart. You beautiful, I say you beautiful. You beautiful, you beautiful, you beautiful. Hey, you beautiful, I say you beautiful, and you know I say you don't steal my heart. You beautiful, I say you beautiful. Oh boy, you get my whole thing. I'm
No, I know people.
No, I go live for family house after I don't marry.
I don't know possible now.
No, I not fit to.
I know if you live for my family house, so
Get a CB, oh. Get a CB.
based on say you get some kind thing where we say I know if you dey avoid as a man.
Because it's not they good to stay for family house after you don't marry. The reason is
A lot of disrespecting acts go there now.
mother-in-law, their wahala too much. Sometimes they will just speak, they will find fault for you, unnecessary faults, any small thing, worry.
My wife now, they not give her respect.
If I marry, my husband supposed to carry me go in house now. If to say we just marry now and we just want stay there small, then from there we go waka comot. It's okay. No be say we go come sit down there griba. The papa, the mama, we no go to get our privacy.
Well, at times, some people, circumstances feel make them do am, or maybe you not get better work you do, but that better work you dey do, that one feel lead you to not get option. So, but for me, I can't.
Depends on how the house is, if it's very big. If it's a family that will not give me problem, like family will not go give me problem, I feel stay. But if na family where I know say they give me problem, I no go stay. But if na family where I know say everybody dey down to it, no give issues, I feel stay. There's no problem.
That's the place where I grew up from, small boy be that. I will come marry, get wife, get pikin, pack all my wife and children, dey for my papa house. Still they stay with my mama, they no, it no fit work.
Since I don't need to live in my parents' house when I'm married, I need to be with my husband. Because the Bible said the two shall become one. So we live in our own separate house, not in my parents' house.
So, I don't advise anybody may they stay for mother-in-law as when they don't marry.
Now, everybody say no. But if you marry, like,
Like what?
Una don't become family.
Abeg, even the Holy Book say for a man shall leave his mother and father, and the woman self go leave, and they go join to become one, not join to become plenty.
All the people where they say no. The truth is say some of them they do am. Some of them time goes, but they get one guy we talk say sometimes condition. But even another condition make you discipline yourself. Very quickly I go talk. I know one guy will be doctor. When they start, he and the wife they get money, but things can't go wrong. We be say for 15 months the man no get work. So instead of the woman go live for her parents' house, he can't they hustle somewhere else.
Oh, okay. Her own house. No be saying go there.
Her own house.
All right, make we read that tweet.
Okay, very quickly we get plenty tweets from on top Coco of the day.
Yeah.
Okay.
At good night. G United 016 he said talk Wazobia, as for a man no be good idea, you just got to get your own apartment for your family to avoid any wahala. The same person can't talk again, say as for a woman she fit endure for a while, but if it take too long it will lead into commotion for inside the house.
Yes.
Our very own she don't tweet all the way from Port Harcourt. She said talk Wazobia, as regards Coco I no go try him. If you give room to too much sea finish, I beg I won't stay far from
away from
family
everybody.
house.
Very true.
And she can't talk, so I don't miss Una so much.
We miss you too.
She said yesterday I chopped bole and fish. Kai, it's sweet, not be small. I go bring for Oli Amaka. Why Oli Amaka?
Thank you, darling. I love you.
I don't understand.
She
Who always
intentionally
that
do no fight. We shall not fight. We are sisters.
Bring for me too.
Anyway, at Mel Olive say talk Wazobia, but I believe the doctor because most women they carry belle give the most convenient or available man. On top that doctor, 40% story. Now waiting that one person talk again. At Brosney say talk Wazobia, ladies I know if you watching our show, they pain me well.
Why?
And at Clementina_Paul say talk Wazobia, I know fit live for family house. Moi, I like my privacy and respect. I don't want third party for any reason. Now time don't go and we still get
my people, the conversation never end for here. Any of we topic where when I feel say when I want you must go on top of Twitter at Talk Wazobia. Also on top of Facebook.
Talk Wazobia on Facebook.
I don't like the way you do your face.
Now you get the Facebook.
Now she gets it.
Oh, wow.
All right, so my people, now here we want bad break. If you want to say anything, I better go on top of those two platforms, all the three platforms, including Instagram. You go see our pictures. Yes, Wazobia, Talk Wazobia. You go see our pictures on top of that place. My people, my own name still remain Queen Bee because tomorrow we carry another betterment going to give you on top of Old School Thursday.
Yes, my name is remain Betiana Unwele. I see me gonna get very kajad day. Say very soon Friday goes soon come my favorite day of the week.
I know.
I be thief. You know say I be thief.
My
name na Bernard. My name na Bernard.
Hello.
Handle everybody. Plus the guests will come join us tomorrow. Now wonderful day and make you just watch your television. Better thing they come.
We are family. My name is Amaka Okudiafo.
Go on.
As we always the talk. To talk no be bad thing, but make
you know what
talk about.
Amaka, you.
You be
We are
I must say you
family.
be